Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can transfer crypto from Revolut wallet to your Tangem wallet. So first you're going to need to do is open your Tangem wallet and then go ahead and tap on the crypto that you want to transfer or you want to receive on your Tangem wallet. So in this example, we're going to be transferring Ethereum. So click on Ethereum and then tap on receive. Now, once you tap on receive, you will see a wallet address. So what you're going to do is just copy that wallet address. Now, after you copy the wallet address from the Tangem wallet, go ahead and go to your Revolut, and then from there you want to send on the crypto tab on the top right. So here, and then just click on your crypto that you want to send. So since I've copied the Ethereum, we're gonna be clicking on Ethereum, and then all you need to do is tap on send. Now, once you click on send here, you're going to have two options. So number one is you can send it to an existing friend just inside of Revolut, or additionally you can click on wallets and then you can click on add a crypto recipient. So here it is going to ask you to type in the crypto address. So additionally, you can click on this QR code right here and you can scan it. And if you will also need to enter the wallet name, and once you fill out this information, well, before that you have to paste here the wallet address that we've copied from Tangem Wallet, the Ethereum. And then once you have fill in the information, you have to review everything and make sure that you are transferring the crypto to an existing wallet address. So make sure everything is right and accurate. And then once you're done with the confirmation, you're gonna go ahead and then confirm the transaction. And then you're just gonna have to wait for the crypto to be notified on your Tangem wallet. And then after that, it'll be transferred to your Tangem wallet from Revolut. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!